Hey guys, it's Sean with the Brothers Workshop, and today I have behind me here my 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. We're going to be taking a look at an annoying rattling noise that comes from underneath the steering column on the driver's side. Now I'm sure many of you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. It sounds like this truck is falling apart. It drives me nuts, and I'm sure it drives a couple of you guys nuts as well. Otherwise you wouldn't be looking for this video. We're going to go ahead and fix it, and it's a super simple fix. But before I do, if you guys find value out of this, if it helps you fix yours, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado. I don't know if you guys can hear that rattling noise, but it sounds like it's coming from the dash or underneath the dash. To get started, we're going to come around, we're going to take a look at this area that I have lit up. Underneath the steering column, you guys can see that I have lit up a panel that needs to be removed. I'm talking about this panel right here. As you can hear, there's a little bit of rattling noise going on behind it. Removing this panel will allow us access to the source of the rattling noise. If you take a look under here, we're going to be removing this screw and this screw right here. And then we'll pop the panel off. There are 6 clips. You have to be very careful that you're not going to damage any of those clips. Otherwise, you guys will have to buy a new piece here. Once removed, we'll be given access to the rattling noise, which should be around this area right here. And I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to take care of that. Now the only tools you'll need are a T10 Torx bit, a 9/32 socket, and a wrench. We've chosen to use our drill, but it's not necessary. If you guys need any of the tools to get this job done, go ahead and take a look at the description below. We have everything listed for you there. Now be careful you don't pull too hard so you don't damage the hood release. And believe it or not, guys, we're staring right at your culprit. If you can see here, this backed all the way out. And this one as well. Now it's hard to believe, but what's causing this rattling noise is this little screw right here, and on this side, that screw. You guys can see they've backed all the way out. They're holding on by a thread, and they really need to be tightened up. And this isn't just this truck. This is any truck, any Silverado or Sierra 2014 to 2018. This happens on them all. I know this because we had 4 of these trucks at the shop, and each one of them had this issue. For good measure, I'm going to tighten everything down. Make sure you guys line these clips up correctly and then give it a little tap. We'll go ahead and screw the other 2 screws in. Like I said, this was an easy job. We got it done in no time at all. And you don't need any automotive expertise, just a can-do attitude. If you guys found this video informative, hit that like button for me. And if it helped you out, let me know in the comment section below. If it didn't help you out, where are you guys hearing that rattle from? And until next time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra.